Today we have the ULANZI MA23 magnetic phone mount with cold shoe adapter on top. This magnetic phone mount is compatible with any phone that has a magnetic charging capability. All you do is attach the phone. It's very shake and rattle resistant. Very good, strong feel with this phone mount. And with this cold shoe adapter, you can easily attach any devices such as microphones and lights. It has a 1/4 hole screw mount to easily attach to any of ULANZI's smaller selfie stick tripods. And if you need this feature, the MA23 will also slide into another cold shoe mount and lock on with this screw-on adapter. One of my favorite features of the MA23 is that it can rotate 90 degrees, allowing you to do vertical video or horizontal video, or even have your cold shoe mount at the bottom if you don't want it sticking up and ruining your shots. This ULANZI MA23 is the perfect addition for anybody who wants to do a lot of filmography, particularly with their phones that have that wireless charging function. Thank you for watching. If you like this short review, please give it a heart.